Hey, I'm Adam Jusko from ProudMoney.com. My American Express Platinum card arrived via UPS on Friday, and in this video I'm going to unbox it and let you see what's inside and also talk about my specific offer. But before I do that, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you've not already. And if you have already, I thank you for doing so. So in the last video I made, I talked about being approved for the American Express Platinum card. They had an offer I couldn't refuse, even though I've refused many of their offers in the past. 100,000 point bonus plus 10 points per dollar on gas and groceries for the next 6 months. I could not stop myself from jumping on it. That was Thursday. They overnighted it to me on Friday, and so I have it here in the UPS container, and we're going to take a look at what's inside. I wore my American Express Platinum shirt today to go along with the theme of this video. Normally it's just sort of a grayish, blackish platinum shirt, but today it happens to fit with the video, so I wore it. So anyway, I can't show you all my personal information, so in this unboxing I'm just going to show you here is a UPS container, and I'm going to pretend that I'm opening it for the first time right now. And we are going to see what is inside. It is this gray platinum box here. I've already blacked out my name in the front, and then we go on the back. And you're going to see that I've already opened it here too, so it's a little bit of a fake out here. I know how it is, but you can't see all my personal information. So anyway, let's pretend that we're opening this for the first time. Alright, now before I zoom in a little closer on this and actually show you what is inside the box, which I'm going to do on the desktop so you can see everything that is inside, I will take a second to say that someone asked me on Thursday whether there had been a hard pull or a soft pull on my credit for this card. Now I have other American Express cards, and I actually looked today to see if it was a soft pull or a hard pull or anything, and I went onto my FICO and checked, and I don't see even any acknowledgement of the fact that I even applied for the card. So I don't even know if there was a soft pull or if they're only showing hard pulls on there, but there definitely was no hard pull that was shown on my FICO. I went into my Capital One account, also their CreditWise feature that uses TransUnion, and there was nothing new there. And of course the TransUnion should have shown up on my FICO since my FICO is all three credit bureaus. But anyway, I looked at both sources just to see, and there's no new credit inquiry that has shown up in the last week. Although I was kind of proud of myself when I went in and looked, because it's actually been like 5 months since I actually had a new credit inquiry, which is a long time for me. All right, I know you want to see what's in here. It's just a credit card. Don't get too excited, but let's take it over to the desktop. All right, so there is the box. One quick note on those hard versus soft inquiries. I am a longtime American Express member, so even though I got a soft inquiry, no hard inquiry as far as I can tell. You may get a hard inquiry, and you will get one if you've never been an American Express card holder. If you have an American Express card, you might not. So anyway, here is the box. You can see I've blacked out a lot of my info there in the address window. It's nice enough. It's kind of got like a little suede-ish feel, but it's really just cardboard. You can see the American Express if the light hits it right there, that kind of off-centered American Express here with the letters, and it's a box. Back of it, here's where I tried to fake you out with the opening. And so this is how it shows up when you pull it out, but when I actually open it, it's going to be pulling up and out this way. So what I'm going to do is flip it around. And then when I do, now when I open this, what I want you to do is to imagine that a lot of white light is spilling out the sides and kind of going all over the place, and that a band of heavenly angels is coming down and making a noise, sort of like a singing, like, oh. So you ready? So here, imagine the light. Oh, I think I hear him. And there it is, the American Express Platinum card. So as you can see, welcome to Platinum, unlock a world of experiences. You have your hashtag there, and there is your card. It looks like somebody put a piece of duct tape on mine, which was ruining the experience a little bit, but that's okay. Anyway, there is your American Express Platinum card on a bed of field greens with a nice wild truffle sauce. Anyway, actually just really sitting on a bed of grayish, silverish cardboard. You can see though with the light hitting it, there's some designs going on all around it there. All right, anyway, let's take it out of there if I can get it out. metal card, as you may already know. Nice shine to it, which I think you can see here pretty easily, except for that duct tape. Don't look at that. And pretty good weight to it too. So metal card, that if you're into that, that's nice. I wish this little copyright thing was not here. That takes away from sort of the glamour of the card. Also this little registered trademark, American Express, you could move those onto the back of the card as far as I am concerned. Anyway, so a metal card, good for slicing and dicing perhaps, as well as buying things. Now, does it make a satisfying noise when thrown on the counter? Hey, not bad. All right, let's see what else is in here. There's this little sleeve up here where there is the envelope that I guess is normally what you would get from any other American Express card. Let's see what we got in there. So first we'll go this way. This is all like a blank name page here, really nothing to that at all. Now on this page, this is the cardholder agreement, and you will see that it does show the pay over time amount there. For me, $25,000, and pay over time essentially allows you to use the American Express Platinum like any other credit card, so that you can actually have a balance that you do carry from month to month, and they have some rules around it. I'm not a big fan of doing that. I pay off my credit cards in full and always think that you should too. But anyway, that is part of American Express's deal these days. They're not just charge cards. When you get the platinum or the gold or the green, you can do these pay over times as well. You can see I have a 15.99% APR if I did use that pay over time. And those APRs in general go from $15.99 to $21.99, I believe, depending on your credit history. So I got the lowest, which, you know, that's fine, will be due for me. Some more stuff here, cardholder agreement, you know how those kind of go. That's kind of the most interesting part, I guess, is probably my credit line. What do we got here? Some things telling us about things that are still available for the rest of 2020 in terms of streaming services and wireless telephone things. I can get some credits here if I use those in time. What's this? Whoa, that's a lot of words. We're not going to read that. And then we have our other part of our cardholder agreement, which is not at all personalized. This is just a million other different things about the features and all that kind of stuff that go with the card. Now you might have noticed that it looks like there's something underneath where the actual card was too. So let's see what is under there. When we open that up, we have some other cards, a series of cards, many cards, like 25,000 cards, that are all going to come out here and show different features of it. Otherwise, you'll see underneath there is just the rest of the plain box with one of these ribbons that I always like to see in a box. It gives a little fancy addition there, and it allows you to open the thing. So anyway, well, let's see what's on these cards. Number one here, we've got your keys to endless, or your key to endless exploration. Get the most out of your card, confirm it, download the app, blah, blah, blah. And then it shows you a lot of the things that you can get with the card, including the Uber rides, the Saks benefit, Priority Pass, Hilton Honors Gold, Marriott Bonvoy Gold, Global Entry or TSA pre-credit, your $200 airline fee credit. Imagine the possibilities with our 5K membership rewards points. You're going to need to be a big traveler to really take advantage of these, because it's 5x on flights that you purchase directly from airlines or through American Express Travel, or 5x on hotels that you purchase through Amex Travel. So those are your 5x categories with this card. Feel at peace even when you're on the go. Global Lounge Collection. So if you're someone that travels a lot, you can take advantage of that. And this tells you a little bit more about it. Pretty sure you're not allowed to just hang out in the lounges anytime you want to, so you actually have to be traveling, so you can't just go there and have drinks whenever you want. Make your travel more rewarding with the $200 airline fee credit. Take your experience to the next level with the Global Dining Collection. I think this Global Dining Collection is probably better in certain cities than others in terms of places where you might eat. And as I make this video in the middle of the pandemic, who knows when we can eat anywhere. Elevate your hotel stays with our Fine Hotels and Resorts program. So a lot of different things you can get at various hotels if you use your American Express Platinum card. get where you're going with your $200 in Uber rides. So you get $200 credit per year with Uber. $15 per month, and then $45 in December. I think that's right. And then finally, Share the Love, which is referring people. Hey, that's you. All right, so there you have it. I don't have time to put all that stuff back in the box. I got to get out there and start spending so I can meet that $5,000 spending requirement to get my 100K. Plus, I got those gas and groceries with the 10X. I got to go buy a bunch of gas and start eating like crazy. So I got a lot of work to do in the next 6 months with this card. So that is it. That's what's inside the American Express Platinum box that came to me. If you are someone thinking of getting the American Express Platinum card and it's close to the time I made this video, again, really nice bonus offers out there. I have a referral link in the description and first comment of this video if you'd like to use it. It may not be the best referral bonus offer, so you could take a look there and see what you're being offered, but maybe check other places too and see if there are bigger bonuses still available. I don't want to shortchange you just to get a referral bonus. So that is it for this video. Questions, comments, suggestions, put them in the comments box below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and as always, please go to proudmoney.com where we do credit card reviews, we talk personal finance, we talk deals, and all sorts of other fun stuff too. Thanks for watching. Bye.